From the trading floor of the NYMEX, I'm Jill Malandrino for The Street. And Zook, following the NFP numbers, clearly every commodity went down, priced on dollars. The dollar shot up after a better report. Is that really a surprise here?
No, we certainly have seen this pattern, especially since last non-farm payroll number. We had gold way back up at $12.60, if I believe. Now we're almost $85, $90 from that number. Pretty much a repeat of last time's number. Certainly expectations of interest rates being raised sooner than later, which certainly gives a little more wind in the sail of the dollar. And we saw a new low of, I think, over 10 years now in the euro, down to 108 and change. So certainly the trend continues.
So with the jobs data coming out better than expected, in fact, way more better than expected, interest rates should move higher sooner than later.
That's certainly the theory. They did take the wind out of the sails of the equities this time, which is a little bit different. But I think once they realize that everything is happening because the economy in the United States, at least, is a little bit on firmer ground, the equities probably should come back too.
Well, I mean, if you do take rates higher, it should be a good sign because it does show, in fact, that the economy is getting better. So there really isn't that much anticipation of a sell-off as far as the overall market is concerned. What about energy? Let's shift gears there because now we're starting to come into a storage situation with all of this oversupply.
I saw some figures relating to that we're only at 80%, even if it's 85% of full capacity. That gives you 15% of storage, which could give you 3 or 4 months. A lot of things could happen in the world in 3 or 4 months, so difficult to place a bet on storage capacity for oil in that time. I think they said it's another 40 million barrels. I mean, that could take a while to fill that up, but certainly we have been. Some of these figures that we've seen on a weekly basis have been 3, 5, and sometimes 10 million a week. So that'll be interesting. The numbers that I've seen, if we reach that and we start to bid for storage and there's nothing left, we could see selling of physical gold, physical oil, which could put us into the 20s. That could be a new world order there.
Okay, thanks very much, Zook. From the trading floor of the NYMEX, I'm Jill Malandrino for The Street.